There are several ways of expressing if in Gaelic. Ma is used in the present, past or future. Ma how ciall, tógi sin yorn. If you're ready, we'll get going. And in the future tense, a verb after ma takes the us ending. Ma chanas at the dat, innsidh. If they say anything, I'll tell you. But with a conditional verb, when talking about a hypothetical situation, we use not ma, but nan. Nan dèanamh tushin viget gematangal. If you were to do that, they would be very grateful. Nan dèanamh tushin viget gematangal. In Gaelic, both verbs of a conditional, hypothetical sentence need to be in the conditional tense. The verb after none and the verb in the main statement, whereas in English, the verb in the if clause is often in the past tense. If you did that, they would be grateful. But in Gaelic, nan dèanamh tushin. Or, I'd be pleased if you came to dinner. Bhíonn tollaichte nan chicuchtú go Not mahaniku, but nan chicuchtú.